As a Man Thinketh, written by James Allen, summarized by audiobooks you love. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your potential, achieving your dreams, and transforming your life is already in your hands? It's not about luck, talent, or circumstance, but rather the thoughts that occupy your mind every single day. In As a Man Thinketh, James Allen argues that the way we think shapes who we are and determines the course of our lives. This timeless classic reveals the profound power of our thoughts and how they can shape our reality. Let's explore this powerful philosophy and uncover how we can take control of our thoughts to live the life we desire. Published in 1903, As a Man Thinketh is one of the most influential works in the realm of personal development. In this book, James Allen presents the idea that our mind is like a garden, and our thoughts are the seeds we plant in it. The quality of the harvest, our life, is a reflection of the thoughts we choose to nurture. Allen argues that by taking control of our thoughts, we can steer the course of our lives, achieve success, and find peace of mind. Now let's dive into the principles Allen discusses and how we can apply them to live more consciously and intentionally. The power of thought. Allen begins the book by emphasizing that mind is the master weaver, both of the inner garment of character and the outer garment of circumstance. In other words, everything we experience in life, from our relationships to our career success, begins with a thought. Every action we take, every word we speak, and every choice we make originates in our mind. Our thoughts shape our habits, and our habits determine our destiny. Allen teaches us that we are the architects of our own fate, and this power lies in our ability to control and direct our thoughts. If we want to change our circumstances, we must first change our thinking. It is not external forces or the environment that determine our success or failure, but the way we choose to think about them. By understanding that we are the sum total of our thoughts, we can begin to take responsibility for our mental state and recognize that we have the ability to shape our future. The law of cause and effect. A central theme of As a Man Thinketh is the law of cause and effect. Allen asserts that every effect in our life, whether positive or negative, is the result of a cause. In the context of our thoughts, the causes are the thoughts we think, and the effects are the circumstances and results we experience. This law operates in every aspect of life, and our thoughts are the initial cause. Allen explains that just as a farmer reaps what he sows, we too reap the results of our mental sowing. If we plant seeds of negativity, doubt, and fear, we will harvest circumstances that reflect these traits. On the other hand, if we sow seeds of positivity, hope, and gratitude, we will reap a harvest of success and fulfillment. Our thoughts are the seeds, and our actions are the harvest. Allen further emphasizes that the mind is always at work, and whether we are aware of it or not, it is constantly producing results. If we want to see change in our lives, we must start with the thoughts that precede our actions. This is the fundamental principle behind the law of cause and effect, and understanding it empowers us to consciously choose the thoughts that will lead to the outcomes we desire. Thoughts and character. Allen also explains the intimate connection between thoughts and character. Our thoughts, over time, form our character. The mind is like a sculptor shaping the clay of our personality, and the more we allow our minds to dwell on certain thoughts, the more of these thoughts become ingrained in our character. Positive thoughts of kindness, love, and integrity lead to a strong, noble character, while negative thoughts of anger, jealousy, and greed lead to a weakened, fractured character. He writes, "A man is literally what he thinks, his character being the complete sum of all his thoughts." This means that the character we project to the world is a direct reflection of the thoughts we allow to dominate our minds. If we want to change our character, we must change our thoughts. By consciously choosing positive, uplifting thoughts, we can begin to reshape our character and create a life that reflects our highest ideals. The importance of purpose. A key point Alan makes is that in order to live a life of fulfillment and success, we must have a clear sense of purpose. He argues that a man without a definite aim or purpose in life is like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly and subject to the whims of circumstance. On the other hand, a man with a clear vision and a sense of purpose can direct his life toward the fulfillment of his goals. Purpose is the guiding force that shapes all of our actions. Alan suggests that a man should focus his thoughts on his purpose with single-minded determination. Every action, no matter how small, should be aligned with that purpose. By maintaining a clear and steadfast focus on our goals, we create a life of intentionality, driven by a powerful sense of purpose. The role of self-discipline. Alan also emphasizes the role of self-discipline in achieving success. He writes, "Self-control is the strength, right thought is mastery, calmness is power." The ability to control one's thoughts and emotions is essential for creating the life we desire. Without self-discipline, our minds will be scattered and our actions will lack direction. But with self-control, we can focus our thoughts, make wise decisions, and take purposeful actions that lead us to our goals. Self-discipline is not just about resisting temptation or controlling impulses. It is about consciously choosing which thoughts we allow to take root in our minds. When we practice mental discipline, we can break free from negative thought patterns and replace them with constructive, empowering thoughts. Through this practice, we build mental strength and begin to create the life we desire. Health and thought. In As a Man Thinketh, Alan also explores the connection between our thoughts and our physical health. He asserts that the mind and body are deeply interconnected, and our thoughts have a direct impact on our physical well-being. Thoughts of fear, worry, and anxiety can weaken the body and contribute to illness, while positive thoughts of peace, joy, and gratitude promote health and vitality. He writes, "A man's mind may be likened to a garden, which may be intelligently cultivated or allowed to run wild. If we allow our minds to be filled with negative, toxic thoughts, we invite physical and emotional illness into our lives. But by cultivating a mindset of positivity and mindfulness, we can improve our physical health and well-being. The power of thought, then, extends beyond our character and circumstances. It impacts our very health and vitality. The path to success and happiness." Finally, Alan concludes with the idea that success and happiness are the natural results of right thinking. Success does not come from external circumstances, but from the mental attitude we adopt in response to those circumstances. The truly successful person is one who has mastered their mind and cultivated thoughts that are aligned with their purpose, discipline, and positive character. True happiness, Alan argues, comes from within. It is the result of a mind that is peaceful, focused, and free from negative thought patterns. When we learn to control our thoughts and direct them toward positive, empowering goals, we create a life of success, fulfillment, and inner peace. Conclusion: As a Man Thinketh is a timeless guide to personal transformation, offering profound wisdom on the power of thought and the impact it has on every aspect of our lives. James Allen teaches us that by taking control of our minds, we can shape our character, our circumstances, and our future. Our thoughts are the foundation of everything we experience, and by choosing to cultivate positive, purposeful thoughts, we can create a life of success and happiness. If this summary of As a Man Thinketh resonated with you, and you're ready to take control of your thoughts to create the life you desire, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more content on personal development and success. Share your thoughts in the comments. What's one thought or mindset you're going to change to start building the life you want? Let's continue this journey of growth together.